Installing hot water supply to fixtures. You will need fusion tools, PPR pipes and fittings, PPR cutter, steel tape, rags, pencil, and pipe clamps. Lay out the area according to the plan.
Mark the area from the determined height and distance. Put the mark and cut the pipe based on the measurement needed for the installation. Fusion weld the pipes that needs to be connected to the water supply. For this installation, install hot water supply lines with a distance of 150 to 200 millimeters from the cold water supply line. Connect an air chamber of 300 millimeter in length. Secure the water pipeline with pipe clamps.
You may also use a pipe bridge to support the pipe that is running over another pipe.